It's our last morning in Yellowstone, and this morning, Kira has decided to join me at the lake to try some fishing.
Well, in a little bit, it's going to be off That's so cool.
We spotted some Canadian geese and beavers, but no fish. After a while, it was time to gather up our gear and head out. But before hitting the road, we had some stickers to put on the motorhome.
Straight?
Yeah.
Over a little bit. Yep. Down a little bit.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
It stuck to it. We can put something little there.
Very cool.
Then it was time to head out of Yellowstone. We were headed to Bozeman, Montana, but first, a stop at the airport to drop off the rental car. Then it was on the road headed north. It was a beautiful drive up Highway 191, along the Gallatin River and through the Gallatin Canyon. Soon we were in Bozeman, Montana, and we drove right through the little downtown area, which was really cute.
Oh, this place is hopping.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, and wherever we end up, I'm probably gonna need. I don't know if I have any small bills left. Oh, that's fun. But I'm curious to see what the forecast is.
At this point, we didn't have a concrete plan for where to go, but we decided to head east towards Billings and to eventually make our way to either North or South Dakota. So eastward we went, not sure how far or even where we were going to stop. We couldn't quite make it all the way, so we had to make a quick stop for a little more gas just west of Billings. Eventually, we made it to Billings, and I dropped off Jody and Jackson at Walmart for a grocery run, while Kira and I went to Costco to fill up the motorhome with gas. Once we were full of gas, we headed back to Walmart to pick up Jody and Jack. Then we hit the road again. Jody made a couple phone calls, and we managed to get a reservation at the Devil's Tower KOA. So we headed south back towards Wyoming for the long drive to Devil's Tower. Jody made everyone dinner on the road as we saw the Black Hills region emerge in the distance. We made one last stop for gas as the sun started to set, and it was back out onto the road yet again as we drove on into the night. It was a long day of driving, 580 miles and over 11 hours. But we eventually got to Devil's Tower, but we will have to show you that video next time. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see that video. And thanks for watching.